What attracts you to choose lcsign? Why 85% of customers will purchase our product again after using one? Let me tell you today. What's up, homie? It's Tony. After 13 years, our control on details and insistence on quality continues. We know only when we spread no efforts and tedious work and preserved in the spirit of craftsmanship, lcsign would be the first choice for most people. We become a more reliable sign supplier. We specialize in the production of lightboxes, LED signs, and neon signs. Size and colors can be customized, shipping worldwide. We also have a professional team responsible for the work of each section. Design, production, every sign factory will have such a complete chain. So no matter what your business is, I believe lcsign can help you grow it. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do that for us right now. Hit that like button and comment below. This is Tony from lcsign.